Did you know that India's defense exports have skyrocketed by over 30 times in the last decade, making it a key player on the global stage? This transformation is not just about numbers, it's about reshaping international relations and security dynamics in ways most people overlook. India has transitioned from being a major importer of defense equipment to a formidable exporter, supplying products to over 90 countries. This shift is largely driven by global conflicts, such as the Russia-Ukraine war and the Israel-Hamas conflict, which have prompted nations to bolster their military capabilities. With exports rising by an astonishing 78% in the first quarter of 2024 alone, India is on track to achieve a turnover of Rs 1.75 lakh crore in defense manufacturing by 2025. Take the recent deal with the Philippines for BrahMos missiles. Just a few years ago, such a sale would have seemed unimaginable. This deal not only showcases India's advanced missile technology, but also signifies a growing trust in Indian defense products. Additionally, companies like Indo-MIM, which specializes in precision-engineered parts, have emerged as top exporters, supplying to over 50 countries. These success stories highlight how India is not just participating in the global defense market, it is redefining it. Many people assume that defense exports are solely about weapons and military hardware. However, India's defense exports encompass a wide array of products, from small arms to advanced systems like drones and fast attack vessels. Moreover, the misconception that only state-run companies contribute to this growth is being debunked. Private firms are making significant strides, with Indo-MIM leading the charge as the top private defense exporter. Another common myth is that the US is the only significant buyer of Indian defense products. While the US accounts for nearly 50% of India's defense exports, countries like Armenia and Israel are also emerging as vital partners, diversifying India's export portfolio and strengthening geopolitical ties. So, what can you do with this information? Consider how the rise of India as a defense exporter could impact global security and economic dynamics. Engage with this topic by exploring how international partnerships are evolving and what they mean for your country. As we witness this remarkable transformation, one question remains: how will India's growing influence in the defense sector change the way nations interact with each other? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think is the most significant impact of India's defense exports on global politics?